Hopefully at the beginning of the year, I can get my power track. As a hard working man, taught me everything I know. Taught me how to work hard. My stepdad, but that's my power. I wouldn't take that for him. Taught me a lot coming up. Treated fair. Tractor right here to put it down. The hydraulic pump. So hopefully I can get a new one. Sell that jugger right there for parts. Got everything counted up. On to the house now. Gonna get ready for work tomorrow. Back at it, feed up tomorrow. And start all over. It's rough when it get cold. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Rufus knew it. He think it's feed time. There go the other cow we missing right there. A nice single foot standard bread right there.